So you want to figure out how to stop saying or like or any of those things. And the best way to do it is not to focus on the word that you don't want to say or the sound that you don't want to say, but to focus on adding pausing. Oftentimes, when it comes to those filler words, it's because we are speaking and our mouth is still open and our brain is thinking. And we just continue making noise. So we just keep talking, right? And that's when you start to have those ums, those likes, the you knows, the filler words that basically add in sound as our brain is processing. It's a learned behavior and it can be unlearned. One thing that I like to do is if I'm in a room is that as I'm speaking, I stop, I look at someone, I talk to them, stop, look at someone else, talk to them, stop, continue. When you change your position and where you're looking and you're focusing on something else and you force yourself to stop talking during that time, it's going to help. Something else that you can do is that when you're practicing, that you practice while you are moving. So if I was practicing a script, I am going to walk this way until I get to the end of a sentence. And then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to walk this way until I get to the end of a sentence. And then I'm going to turn around again. You can also include this not just the end of sentences, but whenever you get to punctuation, so commas, anything that you want to emphasize. And these are ways that you can just force yourself to think about stopping while you're giving the audience time to process, and you are giving yourself something else to do other than trying to stop saying because forcing yourself to stop trying to say it's going to be near impossible unless you give yourself something else to focus on. There's a ton of techniques like this that you can do, but ultimately it's about not focusing on what it is that you don't want to do, but focus on what you do want to do, which is pause and give your audience time to think about what you just said before you can continue on and talk about something new.